Hi, welcome to our channel. Now we'll continue our discussion from where we left off yesterday. We are seeing the daily analysis of Nifty and Banknifty. Now we discussed yesterday that today's candle or today is a very important day and there are a lot of things that can happen or can be decided basis what happens today. So today we had a conclusion and it looks like we are having a heading now towards where the price is moving. We had seen in the last discussion that Nifty has taken about 37 bars to fall from the top to bottom, and we had taken one fourth of the candle, which was this one fourth of the time of this, which was ninth candle from the bottom, and this candle low, which was 24,366. That was something very important. Now we also said that the second part is half the time period, which is 18, which is today's candle, and this will decide the course of the overall movement. Now if you see the candle today, it has broken the low of the ninth day candle, as in this important candle that we marked earlier. Now on Sunday we had seen that okay, this is now making an A, then it is going in the ABC kind of direction, then we called it W, then there was a very sharp fall on Friday the 13th. Then again there was some recovery on the same day and then it fall. So we called it W, we called it X. And we had expected or predicted that the Y could be somewhere here later through the week. Now because this movement has made a low of lower than the low of the ninth day candle, we are now changing our count. Now what is the new count today? What we are going to change? Let's see. Now this ABC, because if you recall the discussion regarding complex correction, we generally refer X as a missing wave. Now X does not really have a pattern or it does not really have a set of rules for how the rise or the fall could be. It could be in 3 moves, 5 moves, 7 moves, whatever that could be. Now after this has closed below the ninth candle low, we are concluding this move as X. Now this is what we are calling X, and instead of this A, we had referred to this as A earlier, this one. Now we'll change this to W. Now it has changed the price, changed the direction. So we are calling this X, and because we are calling this X, we are calling this W. So here we have had a big zigzag fall. It is now we are reading it as W. It has made X today from where the price is about to retrace. Now with the nature of complex correction, we have a next move that could be something like this, or a next move, as in I'm not saying about tomorrow, but the next move from where this to where this price is leading. This is something like this. Now our typical target for Y could be from 61% to 161%. So we can have a lower low here, and this will go in a ABC kind of a nature. So if this is X, we probably can have A here, B here, and C here, which will make it Y. Now, what to do? How do we expect, or what can be traded? So let's see this in a discussion here. Now, if you see this X, this is our stop loss. I mean, this becomes our stop loss. Now, this price, if it breaks, then we'll call it a trend reversal and probably will say that the price is going to move in the positive or the upside. Now, till the time this high is broken or this price level is broken, we'll probably see a downtrend. Now in this downtrend, now we already saw a gap down today, and tomorrow we may have a slight pullback, slight reversal, or maybe it can continue in the downward direction. Now let's say for our argument sake, say 24,788 and 24,430. If I just take a average of these, probably say somewhere in the middle, this is 24,600-ish is where price may retrace, and from there we can initiate a short sell if this is what we are reading. Now, when will this invalidated, or when this will not probably hold to? If the again, the first thing is this particular gap needs to be filled, and gaps needs to be filled very quickly. There is already a significant fall that has already happened today, and we may have a continue rally continuing forward. Now, this is also an important point, which was low of this particular candle where we had marked X. Now, this could act like a resistance, and probably the price may go back a little. So there are only two such cases where the direction could be put in the other way around. Now, this is the expectation, or this is the view that, or the change in view that I have had after today's candle was found. So today we did not trade, and probably from this view onwards, we may have a direction for tomorrow. Now let's see what has changed in Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty also, something similar has happened. On the ninth day candle, this was our low. Price is exactly standing very close to that, or it is almost the same. This low is 52,685. This is 52,700. So just 20 points are left, so that these lows are also very close. Now, just for the argument's sake, because this low is not broken, uh, I've marked here X, but I'm giving it a benefit of doubt that this could probably continue A, B, and C of this particular Y. But when this price is broken again, then we'll again switch back to the view for X, and we will probably have a fall which is lower than this. So this was about today's important candle and how it looks like it has changed the trend for now. And this will also, kind of validate the initial discussion that we were heading from wave 3 to wave 4 in both the indices. And this is how the price is faring 37 days. If had this been making a B, this could probably had taken longer. So more of that in the weekly analysis that we do on a weekly indices video. So this is how Nifty and Bank Nifty both look like. Thank you so much.